Hi friends, welcome to the channel The Nurse. There is an important announcement for you. AIMS NOSET allocation result came, so you can check your allocation status. So with and link I will include in description box, so you can check it there. So we'll go to the details. All India Institute of Medical Science Examination Section, Ansari Nagar, New Delhi. Result notification number 13/2021 dated 18th January 2021. Announcement of online seat allocation AIMS. Nursing Officer Recruitment Common Eligibility Test NORSET 2020 dated 18th January 2021. The online allocation of the Institute for Nursing Officer Recruitment Common Eligibility Test of AIMS New Delhi, AIMS Bathinda, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Deoghar, Gorakhpur, Jodhpur, Kalyani, Mangalagiri, Nagpur, Patna, Raebareli, Raipur, Rishikesh, Telangana, Bilaspur is based on application for allocation of institute on the basis of NORSET rank exercised by professionally eligible candidates from 7 November 2020 to 20 November 2020 and extended till 25th November 2020 and further opened from 3rd December 2020 to 5th December 2020. Accordingly, the provisional allocation of institute AIMS has been done on the basis of NORSET rank and application of institute allocation exercised by the candidates. The general rules for online institute allocation is described at the end of these documents. The roll number wise list allocated institute is follows. So here roll number is mentioned, and if candidate is selected, the reserved candidate selected on merit means that is mentioned in separate second column. So here second candidate selected under merit, so there is no reservation for that candidate is required here. And category, whether it is belongs to PWBD, and overall rank also mentioned here. And last column allotted AIMS. So according to your selections, so AIMS they have given allotted one AIMS for you. So you can either select that AIMS or accept that AIMS and join there. Otherwise you can accept and go for higher options. So here around 80 pages are there. So I will move to the last page. Around 4,600 people are listed here. So last they have given some instructions there. No interviews shall be held in accordance with the DOPT Office Memorandum number 39/020/01/2013 established part dated 29th December 2015. So here important, this result is provisional and subject to verification and fulfillment of the eligibility conditions as laid down in the advertisement published by AIMS New Delhi Wide Recruitment Number Notice 106/2020 dated 5/8/2020 and subsequent notices corrigendum addendum if any published on website and communication sent by email or SMS on registered email mobile number. The institute allocation has been done in order of merit on the basis of NORSET according to online application for the allocation of institute. The eligibility of PWBD candidates is subject to the examination and decision of appropriate medical technical committee as may be constituted by the competent authorities as respective institute. The appointment of the professionally selected candidates will be strictly subject to verification of original documents. All original documents and eligibility criteria will be thoroughly verified by respective institute. So those who are selected in particular institute AIMS, they only verify your document, all documents, eligibility criteria and document verifications. Please note that inclusion in the list cannot be claimed as right to employment to the post of nursing officer for AIMS. All the All the provisionally selected candidates are required to log in portal through My Page and exercise the option as described below and upload the color scanned copy of required original certificates from 21st January 2021 to 27th January 2021 up to 5 o'clock. Candidates who have been allocated institute are mandatorily required to select the option to accept the offered seat within the date specified, that is 21st January to 27th. Following options will be available as per allocation of institute. First, option 1, you can accept and you can wish to report and join at this institute and do not want to participate in subsequent rounds of institute allocations. So those who got their first option, so they can accept their offer and you can go for document verification and joining procedure. Those who didn't get that opted aims, they can accept and wait for they can accept and want to participate in subsequent rounds. So they have to select option 2 and they need to deposit 25,000 for participating in subsequent recruitment for getting higher options. Will be considered as refusal by the candidates and to accept any of the offered institute and his or her candidature for this, and all subsequent rounds will be cancelled. Those who are failed to make either option 1 or 2 within stipulated date, their candidature will be cancelled automatically. Option 2 shall not be available to those who have been allotted institute which was their first preference, and have to mandatorily choose option 1 and complete further process as applicable. So those who got first preference, they cannot make any further procedures for the option 2. That is, they cannot change their preferred aims. So they have to select that aims only. Candidates choosing option 2 are required to deposit a security deposit of 25,000 as per payment method prescribed in the information brochure provided in the portal and upload the detail as required therein. All candidates must be exercise options carefully as no change is allowed after closing dates. Above options must be exercised actively and carefully within given dates, otherwise the offers will be lapsed and all offered seats will be forfeited and deemed to be equivalent to refusal to accept the withdrawal candidature from post at any of aims. If any candidate who has been allotted a seat in and does not respond in any of the above manner, his or her seat allocation shall be stand cancelled and he or shall be ineligible for further round of online seat allocation if any. So document upload they have mentioned here. So all the given documents you need to make ready. The uploaded documents will be preliminarily scrutinized by the respective institute as per eligibility criteria. The outcome of such verification will be notified through portal only. Any further requirement to submit clarification, additional documents, etc. have to be completed in time-bound manner, and failure to respond accordingly in specified time period may lead to cancellation of candidature. So these are the list of documents you need to upload when 21 to 27th. So category candidates has to submit according to this mentioned here. SC/ST candidate certificate issued by the competent authority on or before the last date of submission of online application, that is 18th August 2021. In English or Hindi in the prescribed format, that is also given date in between 20 to 31st March 2021 will be considered valid. So you need to get an OBC certificate between this date. EWS candidates certificates also they have given some instructions. So according to that, you need to submit EWS certificate also. Those who are failed to submit EWS certificate will considered as a general candidate or unreserved candidate. The result notification 13/2021 dated 18 January 2021 is subject to the order of 10 December 2020 of the Honorable High Court of the Delhi in the writ petitions 10124/2020. Any additional communication shall be made only through registered email ID and mobile number by email and SMS. All the professional selected candidates are advised to regularly check email, SMS and visit the website aimsexams.org for further details. So that is about AIIMS allocation list. So in this list we will make a separate video and we will clarify your doubts. So thank you for watching this video. I will give you a link in description box. Please download from there.